Two. Hello, my good people. Once again, it is Eli Vujeri right here, and we are doing house hunting. And today, by the way, as you can see, I am taking you somewhere. I'm taking you somewhere that we are going to, to have a house tour where we'll be touring a 5-bedroom house. Man, no doubt. You heard it right. 5-bedroom house. So, sit back, just stay tight, because Maze, this house is incredible. This house is so big. This house is like a palace. This house is big. You have your own compound, you have your 5 bedrooms, and it goes for a very little amount of monthly rent. So just sit there, man, because I'm going to probably take you right there, and you're gonna feel it, man. You're gonna feel it, and it is not far away from Tassia Kwandege. It is at Tassia Kwandege. As you can see right now, we are at Chief's office, or Tassia Police Post. On my left, it's Tassia Police Post. So Tassia Police Post is just near that particular house, so you have good security right there. You don't need to worry about the security and all that. And also, more and reliable security comes from God, right? No doubt. So this place is probably free from any other incidents of insecurity and any other. You can walk at this place until morning and nobody's gonna touch you. Nobody's gonna even ask you a question. Maybe just to greet you and say hi, hello. So this is the house. Let's go straight away to the house. This is the house, as you can see it. It is a big house, as you can see it. This is your own compound. You just rest at your own compound. The balcony, as you watch people. This is the neighborhood. This is the road. Nobody, hakuna watu wengi. It does not have many people. Many are moving vehicles or machine or whatever it is to interfere with your peace at home. Now this is our gate. We enter. We have a parking, and that is your balcony where you can rest at the morning, and when you need the fresh sunlight in the morning after waking up. So this parking can fit up to 2 cars, if I'm not wrong, or even more. If you wish, you can put 7 cars. Yes, no doubt. So this is probably the parking, and there is a water meter right there. You can get the water is here full time. We have the building tank out in the back of the house, and also the water is fresh from this Nairobi County Council. Oh yeah, or Nairobi City Council. So this is the sitting room, as you can see it, and on our right we have the dining area, or the dining room. So this is the sitting room, or as others do call it, the living area. So as you can see, man, the decoration is incredible. As you can see it, man. Take a look at it. And without doubt, as you can see in front of the camera, this is the dining area. This is the dining area, and you can make it wherever you want to make it. And on the other side we have the kitchen. Ile kashimo niliamuko niambia kanaitwa aje. Ako kashimo ako ndo watu wanapitishianga chakula hapa namna gani wa jameni? Hiyo kashimo mniambie kanaitwa namna gani? Hiyo shimo ndio nataka kujua. Hiyo inatoka kwa jikoni paka kwa dining area. What is the name of that kashimo? Ya hiyo kashimo bwana, mniambie namna gani? Kanaitwa namna gani wa jameni? Unajua hii mambo pia lazima tusaidiane. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Si tuko moja wa jameni. Unajua tumetenga hiyo shimo. Maji ndio hiyo iko hapo kwa wingi kabisa, inatiririka. Unaweza nawa mikono hapo, hata miguu ukiwekelea hapo juu unanawa vizuri sana. So hii shimo ndio nataka mniambie. Hebu niambie hii shimo inaitwa namna gani wa jameni? Unajua hii mambo pia lazima tusaidiane. Lazima tusaidiane kidogo, kwa sababu hiyo kashimo hiyo sijui kwa nini wavitishia hapo chakula. Sasa ikimwagika Lakini si unaweza kuviitishia kwa mlango huko nyuma, ile unaviitishia huko nyuma kwa mlango. Hapa hivi kwa hii mlango wa jameni. Kama sasa pakulikupa ya ukali itatoshea hapo kweli kwa hiyo shimo wa jameni. And without wasting time, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. As you can see, man, just take a look at the kitchen. It's big, 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 big. Like nothing else. Man, you don't need to doubt me when I tell you I bring you good things. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Hebu angalia tu kitchen wewe mwenyewe pole pole uniambie. Ya mazee, wacha tu test maji kwa sink kama inatoka vizuri. Ya inatoka vizuri kabisa. Hapa juu hivi mrembo wako unaweza mama kama anapika hapo hivi. Naonanga kwa hizo movie za nini wanakaa hapo juu hivi. Sasa juu kwa nini watu wanakaa kwa jikoni? Mmoja anakaa kwa jikoni akipea mwingine story. So this is the first bedroom. You can call it a bedroom or wherever it is. It is right behind the kitchen. It can be made a bedroom or something like that. So I call it the first bedroom. And outside we have a water tank. So hauwezi kosa maji hapa kabisa. Na hapo nje unaweza anika nguo na ngodha. Unajua ngodha ina advisiwa ikaushwe na jua wa jameni. Usianike ngodha hapo kwa bafu jameni. Inafaa ipigwe na sunlight, pure non-exaggerated and non-diluted sunlight. Sunlight original kutoka heaven. Ipige hiyo ngodha ikauke vizuri. So unaanika huko nyuma wa jameni. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Si tunaelewana wa jameni, ama namna gani wa jameni? So tukitoka nje ya jikoni hapo hivi katikati tuko na choo. We have a toilet that is probably the first toilet or on the ground floor. As I have told you, or as I will tell you, or as I'm telling you, this house has 3 good toilets and 3 good bathrooms. So down here we have the first bathroom, which is here, and the first toilet which you have just seen. And as you can see, the water is running everywhere. Now this is our first bathroom. You can have your shower here without doubt. And on the right side, as you can see on the right, we have a bedroom which the owner who was living here hakuwa amehama na vitu zake zote. So hizo vitu zitatolewa tu as much as utalipa nyumba na utoke. So that is the second bedroom, right? I was not able to record of it because there are some things which are still in there and are yet to be removed either today or yesterday. They will be removed yesterday or today. Sawa, tuko moja wa jameni ama namna gani wa jameni? So now we are on the stairs. Yeah, on the stairs we have a little gate or house that separates the ground floor and the upper area or the first ground. So we face straight to the toilet. The toilet is right behind us, in front of us. And if you wish, you can lock this gate. If you don't want some people or some new people in your house, maybe your house girl or maybe your children to come up, or maybe your the visitors, you can lock up here, and they will just use the downstairs amenities or house rooms. So this is the second toilet. As you can see, it is incredible clean. There is a tissue left there for you. Hiyo tissue ni yako, hiyo ni bonus yako nimekuachia hapo. Unaweza itumia kabla ununue ingine mpya. Hiyo inaweza kaa kama wiki mbili hiyo tissue. Kama ukuli. Alafu hapa kuna sinki mzuri ya kunawa, and then we rush to the second bathroom, which is right on the left. The second bathroom is so big, man. So big, like, oh man. So big, kadi, hii puff kadi kupwa. Unaweza kulala ndani hata ukitaka. Unaweza kulala ndani, unaweza kulala ndani kandi na maji inatoka vizuri. Angalia tu taa fenye na waka, ndugu yangu. Unajua hizo vitu lazima tusaidiane ama namna gani wa jameni? Yeah, so this bafu, as you can see it is so incredible. And we move straight away. We move hand straight away to this third, which is third bedroom. This is no doubt the third bedroom, which is painted in what color is that? Oh man, mimi sijuangi colors. I don't know much about colors. Is this pink? Yeah, this is pink. Mi najuanga color bwana. Wewe nini wewe? I know many colors. This is pink. Yeah, this is pink. Ama namna gani wa jameni? This is pink. Painted to favor your children. Maze, if you have your children, your kids, yeah, especially baby girls, they love these colors, man. They will enjoy this area. They will live here, and without doubt, let us go straight away to the fourth bedroom, right? The fourth bedroom. Switching off the lights, moving on straight away to the fourth bedroom, which is incredibly big as well. And that one, it's a very good one for your no, you cannot put your visitors up here. Maybe kama ni mimi anaweza waweka huko chini, walalanga huko chini. So hizi mbili ziko huko juu za familia yangu kama watoi hivi ama namna gani wa jameni? Like a prayer room. By the way, one of these you can make it your prayer room. Yes, because it is probably 5 bedrooms, right? So a bedroom like this one, which we are in right now, this is the fourth one, right? Now this one you can make it your prayer room. If you're a Muslim, you are a Christian, you are an Hinduism, you are a Rastafarianism, you are what are the religion do we have under the sun? So you can do whatever you want. You can put here, you can make this as your prayer center, your prayer room. When you lock yourself here, you call upon the name of the Lord, you pray, you cry, hey, God, here I am, I worship you now. And you pray like never before. Nobody's gonna interfere with you. Nobody. And by the way, that is why I always say, as Christians, we need money. We need money. Now you are living in a single room. You cannot even shout your prayers, your cries to God. You cannot even tell God you have some sicknesses that cannot be explained, that cannot be heard by people. Now you just need to, just murmur like someone who is there's nothing like, we need money. We need money so that we can live in big houses like this. You see, like mimi sasa hii nimeamua tu niame ndani. Hii nyumba ni yangu mwenyewe. Sasa mimi nimeamua tu niame ndani. Wewe usiniletee hiyo mambo yako bwana. Now we are right there at the master bedroom. Master bedroom. This is master bedroom. This is incredibly big. It's like, oh man, takes like 40% of the entire house, no doubt, man. This is so big, man. And iko na zile tu lights so ukuta hizo, sijui tunaitwa namna gani wa jameni. Mimi munichanue tu kwa sababu sasa hakuna haja tudanganyane wa jameni. Let's just be honest to one another. Ama namna gani wa jameni? Wacha tu tuongee tu kweli. So these are the lights. You can put as much more as you want because the bulb holders are incredibly right there. So the wardrobes are very big and many. Your wife can take one, na wewe pia uchukue moja, kama mpendi kusheka vitu pamoja, manguo nini and all that. So this is the bathroom as you can see it. I think I took the video but I don't know where I lost it. I lost the video for the bathroom, but I have a picture here. Just a rare picture. Forgive me about that. But it's so big. You can put your on the right. You can put your bathtub and all that because it is connected together. The toilet together with the bathroom. So I think I am very much grateful for you guys for watching. As you can see, you can close this so that nobody will be able to access your privacy up here. If you're praying, if you have your children, you're having your good times up here, or your wife, or your husband, or your puppies. As you can see, the dog is out there. I was not able to film the backside because of that dog. As you can see it, listen to it. No doubt there is a dog, a very aggressive dog. So hapa kuna light, but hiyo kabalbu kalikuwa kame nini kidogo ako, si unakaona. So ni ile balbu ya 50 tu, ya 100 unaweka hapo ndugu yangu. Sasa tena tusumbuanie nini wajameni? Mbona tunasumbuana ndugu yangu kwa balbu ya 100? Hakuna haja tusumbuane wajameni. Mbona tunasumbuana wajameni? But as you can see, that is the bedroom, the right, the one that is locked because of some items there, and I was not able to film there. So as you can see, we have been able to tour the house, the whole entire house. I'm sure you have enjoyed the video, and you're going to call me on 0700343744 for more information to find out kama hii nyumba haijaenda. Hii nyumba ilikuwa inaoniwa na mtu na amepata nyumba yake huko, nimeambiwa sijui ni wapi huko, amepata nyumba ingine huko, amehamia Kilimani huko, so akawachana na hii nyumba. So utakuwa na deal directly na landlady mwenye nyumba. Landlady, by the way, utakuwa na deal na yeye directly. So thank you so much. Until we meet again on the next video, remember to subscribe. Goodbye.